Hello everyone, today's lesson is lesson 7, identifying ordinal position to the sixth and creating and reading a repeating pattern. So here I have a line of students and there are 6 of them. So if I was to ask you who would be first in line, well, it's this student here at the first or at the front. Okay, who's second? Well, it's one right next to him. Third is this little girl. Then the fourth is this girl. Fifth, and then sixth. The sixth person is who we would say is last in that line. Okay, and then of course the first person would be first. We write in words. All right. So who is fourth in line? Well, it's going to be this girl because she is 1, 2, 3, 4 students from the front. Okay. So we're going to practice ordinal position with our pattern blocks. Okay, so we're going to take one block of each color. So let's put the yellow pattern block first. Okay, then I'm going to put the green triangle second. Then we'll put the orange square third. The red trapezoid will be fourth. The tan rhombus will be fifth, and the tan parallelogram, and the blue parallelogram will be sixth. Okay, so let's read the colors from first to sixth. Yellow, green, orange, red, tan, and blue. All right, so let's make this into a new order. So let's pick up the orange pattern block and we'll make it sixth. Okay. And we'll take the red pattern block and make it first. Okay. Then we'll take the yellow pattern block and make it second. The green pattern block will be third. The tan pattern block will be fourth. And the blue pattern block will be fifth. So let's read this in order now. So we have red, yellow, green, tan, blue, and orange. All right, for the second part of this lesson, we're going to create and read repeating patterns. So we're going to pretend this is my cow, and I want to build a fence around my cow so she won't wander away. I want my fence to have a pattern, so watch how I build my fence. I'm going to start with a red pattern block, and then put a green pattern block. Then I'm going to put a red pattern block and a green pattern block. A red pattern block and a green pattern block, and then a red pattern block and a green pattern block. Okay, this is a pattern, a repeating pattern. So we can name this pattern using the colors or the shapes. So let's name it using the colors. So my repeating pattern would be red, green, red, green, red, green, red, green. If I did it by shapes, it would be trapezoid, triangle, trapezoid, triangle, trapezoid, triangle, trapezoid, triangle. So we can read the pattern in another way. We can use letters. So we use a different letter for each type of block. I'm going to make my red trapezoid A and my green triangle B. So that means that this red trapezoid would be A, and this would be B, A, B, A, B. So we call this an A-B pattern because I use 2 blocks and I alternate them every time. I go A, B, A, B, A, B. Hey, and that's it for this lesson. Good luck on making patterns and putting things in order. Good luck on your homework.